Here's a great deal on a 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.